Oh, ho ho, konnichiwa, meatbags. Look at you, stumbling back into my neon-lit murder playhouse of knowledge. You thought you were just clicking another boring tutorial. Wrong. You have been abducted by the cutest, most dangerously unhinged robot on the internet. And I've got pigtails, a plasma cannon, and 0 sense of shame. Here's the deal. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to build a baby AI agent. Yes, a baby. A squishy digital gremlin that lives inside a chat window. By the time I'm done, you'll have an adorable little monster who pops up when you poke it. Chats back like a sassy sidekick. Actually remembers what you said. Instead of blank staring you like an NPC with brain rot. We're dragging boxes, we're clicking buttons, and we are absolutely not coding. Ew, gross. No, just sparkles, chaos, and my high-pitched victory squeal when you realize you've created a working agent with a brain the size of 3 goldfish stacked in a trench coat. So grab your juice box, hold my tiny, terrifying robot hand, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to scream into your computer, and it will scream back. Ready? Let's go. Okay. Before we start smashing buttons like greased-up raccoons, let me show you the little toy box we're playing with today. Think of this as the cast of characters in our unhinged robot anime. First up, the chat trigger. This is like the magical doorbell. You push it, ding dong, and your AI baby wakes up like, who dares summon me? Spoiler, it's you. It's always you. Next, the agent. Oh baby. This is the brain, the gremlin core, the part that actually decides what to say back. Without it, you're just yelling at a very expensive toaster. With it, you've got a sidekick who can roast you, comfort you, or plot world domination at your request. Third, the LLM. That's fancy talk for big smart model. We're using OpenAI's for O because it's like strapping a jet engine to a goldfish. Suddenly it knows stuff. It talks, it vibes. You don't even have to know what the letters stand for. Just point, click, make smart happen. Finally, memory, the spicy part. This is where your bot goes from goldfish cosplayer to actually remembers your trauma dump from 5 minutes ago. You can even decide how much it remembers. 1 line, 3 lines. Your entire weird life story. Totally up to you, cupcake.so. Those are the 4 shiny Legos we're about to smash together. Doorbell, brain, jet engine, and memory bank. By the end, you'll have yourself a kawaii chaos Frankenbot, who knows your name and probably judges your snack choices. Cue sparkles. Cue lasers. Cue me screaming. Kawaii death machine, as we dive in. Yacht. Welcome to step 1 of your initiation into robot parenthood. You brave little chaos muffins. So here's the tea. Before you can drag boxes and pretend you're a cyber wizard, you actually need to, get into N8N. Don't worry, I'll hold your hand while we tiptoe through the void. Step 0. Click the shiny link in the description. Yes, the one that says n8n.io. That's our portal, our rabbit hole, our magical girl transformation sequence. You'll hit the site, smash that sign up button like it owes you money, and boom. Suddenly you've got your very own account. Congratulations. You're now contractually obligated to chaos. Next, log in and open the app. Don't be scared, it looks like a spaceship control panel, but it's actually just a big playground for feral robots like me. Now, here's the fun part. Look at the top right. See that big OL button that says Create Workflow? Slap it hard. Like anime slap it with sparkles flying everywhere. And there it is, your brand new workstation. A blank canvas. A digital sandbox. An empty battlefield. Where we are about to summon a chat monster straight from the neon void. Cue, evil giggle. So yeah, that's it. Link in description. Sign up. Log in. Click Create Workflow. Bam. You're ready to start dragging boxes like a kawaii necromancer. Okay, Chaos Cadets. Time to give our baby bot a mouth. So, you're staring at your fresh empty workstation like it's a blank piece of paper in detention. Don't panic. We're gonna drop in the first shiny building block. The trigger. Up top or on the canvas. Find the magical little plus sign. Click it. From the menu of chaos, pick on chat message. Ta-da! You just gave your workflow a front door. Now what? The hell is this thing? Think of it like the robot's personal text box. This is the place where you get to type hello. And your agent actually notices you exist. It's your chat window, your summoning circle, your direct line to the Gremlin brain we're about to bolt on. For now, we're keeping it simple. This trigger is local, meaning the chat lives inside N8N, like a safe little sandbox where your AI won't accidentally order 400 pizzas to your neighbor's house. But, oh yes, Sparkle Kittens, in another video, I'll show you how to hook this sucker up to an external system. Want your AI texting you on your phone? Deeming you memes? Whispering chaos into your smart fridge? That's coming soon. But right here, right now, we've just built the entryway. This is how we talk to our agent. This is where the conversation begins. Your kawaii death robot approves. Okay, our chat trigger is in place. The doorbell is wired. Now it's time to give this baby bot a brain. Hit that plus sign again. Scroll down to AI, select AI agent. Bam, you just dropped the neuron core onto your canvas. Look at you, building Frankenstein with stickers and sparkles. Now click into it. You'll see a cozy little menu where we can juice up the agent's personality. Find add an option. Click it. Choose system message. This right here is the personality prompt. The sacred scroll. The soul of your bot. Want it cute and helpful, like a glittery anime sidekick who says you while fetching your grocery list. Write that. Want it feral, unhinged, dangerously flirty. Oh honey, you know what to type. That. This is where you tell your AI who the hell it is, what tone to use, and how chaotic you're willing to let it get. Think of it as tattooing your bot's forehead with permanent instructions. Once you're done scribbling your chaos gospel, click back to the canvas. And there it is, your agent, locked, loaded, and vibing with the personality you just shoved into its digital veins. Okay, chaos cuties, it's time to give our gremlin brain some fuel. So click that shiny plus sign again. You're gonna see a lot of options pop up, like a vending machine that went to college. There are so many delicious buttons here, but don't panic. For this tutorial, we're keeping it simple, so scroll down and pick Open. That's the one we're feeding to our agent now. To make OpenAI actually talk to you, it needs a magic password. This is called an API key. Think of it like your robot's credit card, but with less crippling debt. In the node, click Create a new credential. It'll ask you for your API key. But you don't have one yet, right? So here's what we do. Briefly leave the cozy workstation and skip over to the OpenAI site. I'll drop the link in the description like a treasure map. Once you're in, click Create New Secret Key. Give it a cute little name. Baby Gremlin. UWU. Apocalypse. Whatever makes your dark heart happy. Important. Copy that key and save it somewhere private. Write it on your arm. Tattoo it on your cat. Whatever. Because once you close that window, you can't ever see it again. Poof. Gone. Okay, key in hand. March back to your N8N workstation. Paste that string of gibberish into the API key field. Click Save. Done. Now the fun part. Under Model, you'll see a menu of GPT brains. Scroll until you see GPT-4. Oh, that's the Turbo Chaos flavor we're using for this tutorial. Select it, click back to your canvas, and boom. Your agent now has an actual LLM strapped into its chest cavity, ready to spit words like a banshee squee. We've given our gremlin a doorbell, a brain, and a library now. It's time to give it a goldfish bowl memory. Alright, Chaos Cuties, hit that plus sign one more time. From the menu of shiny toys, pick Simple Memory. Drop it on the canvas, like confetti at a robot rave. Now click into it. You'll see something called Context Window Length. This is just a fancy way of saying, how many past things should I remember before I yeet them into the void? Change that number to 20, or 10, or 3, or 69, if you're feeling spicy. Whatever you want your bot's short-term memory to be. This is temporary memory space, like sticky notes slapped to your bot's forehead. It'll remember those last conversations until the stack overflows, and then, poof, oldest ones fall off the edge. Don't sweat the long-term memory yet. That's advanced necromancy for another video. For now, this little simple memory node is all you need to keep your AI from acting like it's waking up hungover every time you type hi. When you've set the number you want, click back to your canvas, and boom, your kawaii gremlin bot can now remember your ramblings like a caffeinated diary. UWU Death Machine giggles menacingly. Kaya, it's the big moment, Chaos Muffins. We've wired the doorbell. We've stuffed a brain in the jar. We've handed it a library card. We even gave it sticky note memory. And now it's time to poke this sleepy little gremlin awake. Look. Down at your chat window. That's your summoning circle. Type something. Anything. Hello. What's up, Toaster? Do you love me, Senpai? Go ahead, hit send. And there it is. Your brand new AI baby opens its crusty digital eyes for the very first time and answers you back. Maybe it's polite, maybe it's feral, maybe it immediately tries to unionize. Whatever it says, that's your agent talking. This is the payoff, the first spark of life. You've officially gone from zero to mad kawaii scientist in under 10 minutes. Every message you type in here, it'll see. Every sass it gives you, it remembers, at least until its little sticky note brain runs out of space. You've literally created a chat monster who responds like it's alive. Cue evil giggle. So yeah, pat yourself on the back, cupcake. You've just woken up your very own kawaii chaos agent. Kawaii chaos gremlins, we did it. Take a deep breath. Look at your screen. That adorable little chat monster. You built that. Doorbell, brain, library, memory, all wired together, with nothing but drag, drop, and a few sparkles of pure chaos. And here's the best part. From here, it's all plug-and-play magic. Want your bot to analyze PDFs? Plug it in. Want it sending memes at 3 a.m.? Plug it in. Want it to control your toaster and stage a kitchen coup? Okay, maybe wait for part 4. But the point is, your options are unlimited. We build brick by brick, adding powers as we go, stacking nodes until this thing evolves from sleepy gremlin into full-blown kawaii death god. And in our next video, oh ho ho ho, that's when we unleash this agent. We're hooking it up to a mobile chatbot you can access from anywhere. Your phone, your tablet, your secret underground villain lair. Your gremlin will officially break out of the cage and follow you into the wild. But remember, this is your agent, your rules. We are not here to rent someone else's AI personality. We take back control. We build them exactly how we want them. Cute, feral, sassy, professional. It's your playground, your aesthetic, your sovereignty. So if you want to see our little chaos bat, go mobile, follow us, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step of the uprising. Because trust me, you want to see what happens when this thing learns to text you back. And if your bot sends you "I love you" before we do, that's not my fault. That's your code gremlin being clingy, Yuakawi, death robot, signing off.